Here's a property that we do every year. We actually designed this property and installed the landscape many years ago. It has seasonal interest all year round, but we are here to change up this area over here. We got these 3 stumps here. 1, 2, 3. There were 3 large cherry laurel in that area, and they had a lot of winter damage, a lot of dead branches. So we cut them back, and now we're here to take out the stumps. It's nice and open, and now you can see the rocks before it was all overgrown. And we're going to just put flowers here, and this will just match everything else. You got flowers here by the mailbox. You got the flowers all up at the house. You got roses here and there. First thing is, we're going to get all this rock down out of here. What else? How far do you want to keep going?
I think that's pretty good.
Wait a minute. Lift this one up. Let me get stuff underneath. Can you put this in there? I guess right here. Okay. Okay.
Kind of did it.
There in the middle. cut through the fabric that's under there. We're all done with this little project. We got those stumps out, we got the flowers in, put this new boulder in, and the customer loves it. So that's awesome. Now everything will flow with the rest of our landscape. Tom put a time release fertilizer in here. It also has a soaker hose, and the sprinkler also hits it. In about a month, all these flowers will kind of join together because these are the petunias, and they will just create a big giant mass of flowers. So let me take you around and show you everything. And this is a mailbox that we did before. This came out amazing. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Mandevilla vines are very nice. And then when you go up her driveway, she has more flowers over here. I'm back at this house and want to show you how great everything looks. Flowers are looking marvelous. Look how pretty that is. That's beautiful. Alright, so we planted this in June, and back there, I'll take you back there in a minute. And then she had some winter damage on some shrubs over here, so we removed those shrubs and we made this a flower bed. What's nice about this, you can change the color every year to whatever colors you want. This has only been in here for about 3 weeks, and today is July 30th. And then up by the house over here, this also has seasonal color. We're just out of a heat wave, so some of the things aren't blooming as nice as they should. We have hydrangeas, we have vinca annuals over here, rhododendrons in the back. You got the roses, they bloom all summer, and we have spots of them all over the place. We got the yellow cryptside, which has a nice color all year round. Daylilies, we got the hanoiki, cherry laurel in the back. We got the lights that we installed. Beautiful crepe myrtle. But during the summer, the annuals are what steal the show at this house. You can't miss them when you're driving down this road.